in the shuffling madness of the locomotive breath. Runs the all-time loser, headlong to his death. Oh, he feels the pistons scrubbing, steam breaking on his brow. Old Charlie stole the handle, and the train was stopped going, no way to slow it down. Oh, oh, oh. Since his children jumping off other stations one by one, his woman and his best friend in bed and having fun. Oh, he's crawling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Oh, Charlie stole the handle, and the train goes on going, no way to slow it down. Ah, hey, hey. Here's the silence calling, cause it senses as they fall. And the all-time winner gets golfing by the balls. Ah, he picks up Gideon's Bible, open and page 1. Thank God he stole the handle, and the train got stopped going, no way to slow it down. No, it won't slow down. No way to slow down. No way to slow